Are you ready? She's ready. She's so ready. You're not nervous, right?
No.
I love it. I love when people aren't nervous. This is awesome. Okay. You're gonna lie face down right here. Face here. Hands right there. Try and relax those shoulders. See, she's tight. She's tense. She's got a little bit of a headache too, right? Yeah, we got to get rid of that. Daily headaches. That's crazy. See all that tension here, all of it. Try to relax as much as you can. That's sacrum. This is where you're sitting all day. She sits all day too. Hip bones lock in, tailbone at the bottom where you sit. The more compressed and tight this becomes, then it starts to... No good. Turn to this side, face me. Here, she's tight and compressed, and that was good. See all the tension? Yeah. This is the issue, people. Compression, tension, and stress in the spine, not the pain. Pain's a symptom. Other side. Get this here. Get this. Bring this to me. Get that right there. Excellent. She's smiling already. Isn't that amazing? The difference already. When you release that tension out of that spine, it changes instantly. It's great. When you're ready, come stand up. Tuck that chin. Right there. Take a deep breath in. All the way out. Wow. Drop those arms. Put that head back. Breathe deep. All that tension, shoulders, clavicles, sternum, ribs get compressed, diaphragm compressed. You're not getting enough oxygen into the blood at the bottom to shoot out to your tissues, ultimately to your brain. Your brain's tired, you sit all day, you're tired at the end of your day. This is the reason why you're not getting enough oxygen to your brain. So if they argue with you, tell them, well, Dr. Ralph said, yes, I am tired because I'm not moving enough. Yeah. I'm not getting enough oxygen to my brain. But it's true. That's what happens. Good. She gets headaches every day. It's crazy. You can't be getting headaches every day. Drop that shoulder right there, nice and relaxed.
Oh my God. Oh my.
Yep.
Wow.
Good.
Wow.
I'll put the right there, right there.
That was so amazing.
Good. See the breathing change? I'll let it drop this to get the arm all over here, right here, nice.
Wow. Wow.
Drop that head right here.
Yes. So good. So good.
That's awesome. Come lie on your back, face up. Use those hands, let's stretch it over.
Oh my God.
Right.
This is the one.
The one. Decompress. The more relaxed you are, the better. Right down the midline. Contraction. Take a deep breath in, all the way out.
Oh,
wow.
Yes. Oh my God. That was so amazing. You don't even understand how good that felt. Oh my God. Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. Stay right there. Yep. Boom. Wow. How do you feel right now?
I feel like relief, like so much right here in the upper, like everywhere.
Because she had that little curve too in her spine. A lot of tension here for a very long time. And that's probably what's leading to the headaches and the sitting and the posture stuff. The mood change. Look at your face. Your face is different.
Yeah.
Headache still?
No.
Gone.
Instant.
Now again, it's just the beginning, you know, pressure. But this is, I got a feeling she's not going to have a headache for a few days, which is good. Okay?
So good, thank you.
Pressure,
so
tension,
much.
and stress. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Adjustments take the pressure, tension, and stress off your spine and nervous system so you can move better, feel better, and live better. That's what an adjustment does. If anybody tells you any different, they're lying. Never be afraid to get adjusted. Boom.
Yeah.
Lost them again.
Thank you.
You're welcome.